Today I have for you a DIY pumpkin spice sugar scrub. This recipe is extremely simple and you most likely have all the ingredients you already need at home. All you will need for this sugar scrub is a bowl, a spoon, measuring cups, brown sugar or white if you prefer, coconut oil or any other oil that suits your skin, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and of course, pumpkin spice. My secret ingredient that I always include is pink Himalayan salt. Himalayan pink salt contains many essential minerals small enough for our body and skin to absorb. This single ingredient can provide amazing therapeutic benefits to the skin, body, and mind. So here I'm scooping my soft brown sugar into 1 cup. Should always make sure that the brown sugar bag is sealed tightly so that it doesn't go bad. Then I get my coconut oil and I fill up a 1/3 cup, like so. Then I get 1 tablespoon of my ground cinnamon. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then, of course, we add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. Then my favorite ingredient, the Himalayan pink salt, which what I have here is super fine, but you could also use one that is a little bit thicker of a consistency. I just wouldn't use the rock Himalayan pink salt. For me, the Himalayan pink salt that is super fine absorbs into my skin much better. So I mixed this for about 5 or 6 minutes, and then I went from stirring to kind of mashing the ingredients together until I get like a compact consistency like you see here. As I said before, I listed in the description box a link for a really cute mason jar off Amazon, so feel free to take a look at that. It would be decorative for like a bathroom or in your kitchen, wherever you want to keep it. And there you have it.